The wiper washer lever to the right of the steering column operates your windshield wipers and washer. Rotate the wiper knob to one of the first two positions for intermittent wipers. Rotate it to the third position for low-speed wipers. Rotate it to the fourth position for high-speed wipers. Hold the lever upward and the high-speed wipers will run as long as the lever is held. This feature is perfect for unexpected splashes or passing situations in the rain. If equipped with rain-sensing wipers, you can turn them on in your Uconnect settings. Use the lever to make the rain-sensing feature more or less sensitive. Wiper delay position 1 is the least sensitive, and wiper delay position 2 is the most sensitive. Pull the lever toward you to spray the washers. The wipers will operate until you release the lever, and will continue for a few wipes after you release it. To activate the rear window wiper, rotate the control to the first position for intermittent rear wipers. Rotate it to the second position for continuous rear wipers. To spray the rear window washer, push the lever away from you. The rear washer will spray and the wiper will run as you hold the lever. When you release the lever, the rear wiper will continue for a few wipes before finishing. You'll find the headlight control switch on the left side of the instrument panel. It controls your headlights, parking lights, fog lights, instrument cluster brightness, and interior lighting. Rotate the switch to the first position to activate the parking lights. Rotate to the second position to activate the headlights. You'll find the instrument panel dimmer to the right of the headlight control switch. It adjusts the brightness of your instrument panel. If equipped, you'll find a second dimmer control just left of the instrument panel dimmer. This second dimmer controls ambient light levels inside the cabin. To activate the front fog lights, turn on the parking lights or the low beam headlights, or put the control in the auto position and push in the headlight control switch. Push in the switch a second time to turn the fog lights off. The multifunction lever to the left of the steering wheel operates the turn signals and high beam headlight functions. To turn on the high beam headlights, push the lever forward toward the front of the vehicle. To turn off the high beams, pull the lever back toward the rear of the vehicle. To warn a vehicle ahead that you'd like to pass, you can flash the bright lights by lightly pulling the lever toward you and releasing it. Your vehicle also features lane change assist. Just tap the lever up or down once without moving beyond the detent, and the turn signal will flash to let other drivers know you're about to change lanes. Then it will automatically turn off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.